Horses out, coming out into a perfect beginning. Grace Park Boy, best asset. Moving up, Physiotherapies, Daredevil. We have Grace Park Boy, the leader by about half a length. And on the outside is Physiotherapies. Daredevil is racing in third. Best asset is running by Drell Symphony Barkadahan. Then followed by Bergara, Maaliwalas, and Chris Skip is the early trailer going along for the first turn. We have Grace Park Boy by about 3/4 Balenka. Best asset is running by Drell, and on the outside third, Physiotherapies. A length back in fourth comes Daredevil, then followed by Symphony Barkadahan, Bergara, Maaliwalas, and Chris Skip still racing in last. We have Grace Park Boy by about half a length down on the inside. Best asset Daredevil now moving up to take third. Physiotherapies trash back in fourth. Symphony comes next is Barkadahan. And it's still Grace Park Boy by a length. Best asset still in second. And in third, Daredevil, Physiotherapies, Barkadahan. And as the fields turn for home, we have Grace Park Boy by about 4 lengths. Moving up to take second, Daredevil, Barkadahan. Down on the inside is best asset. Last 100 meters, we have Grace Park Boy, followed now by Barkadahan. And entering the finish line, the curtain closer. Grace Park Boy, Barkadahan. Then comes Maaliwalas, Daredevil, best asset, Symphony for your Super 6.